Question number 2A. What I have with me here, let me write it out. I have 7 into x plus 4 minus 2 over 3 into x minus 6 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 close bracket. We have big one here. Okay. I think this square bracket is also here. Have the square bracket also here. Okay. Now with what we have here, this is the question, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's deal with them one after the other by opening the bracket first with what we have here. Or let's first eliminate. Let's eliminate this fraction. But to eliminate the fraction, you have to multiply through by 3.
Yes.
Right? Because that's the
Yes, sir.
only denominator. So you are multiplying through by LCM, multiply through by 3. And in doing that, we are going to have
How many plus?
we are going to have a 21 into x plus 4 minus 2.
Now I'm looking for that example. I'm back.
Okay. Now
Wait,
if multiplied
why
through
not
by
going to
3,
multiply the other side by 3?
we are going to do it. Yes, we are going to have 6 here. Sorry.
Okay.
This place will be 6. So you can open the bracket now by having 21x. 21 times 4 will give us what?
84.
Minus 2x plus 12 less than or equal to. Let's first open the internal brackets. So we're going to have 3x minus 15. So you're going to have 21x plus 84 minus 2x
So do not
plus
be x
12.
squared
No,
because
there's a
x,
separator between them. There's an operation here already. So it's only 3 that is multiplying what is in that new bracket. This x that is outside has no business with this new bracket.
okay,
Do you
sir.
understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can open with the 6 now. We have 6x minus 18x. 6 times 15 will give us what? 90, right?
Yes, 90.
Okay, let's first reduce this long equation. 21x minus 2x will give us 19x. 84 plus 12 will give us 96. And this will give us minus 12x minus
Minus 90.
19. And we can walk through that and just have can have 19x
Plus
plus
12.
12x less than or equal to minus 90 minus 96. So this will give us 20, that's 31, right?
Yes, 31. 1x.
31x less than or equal to 90 plus this will give
Minus
us
186.
minus 186. So at this point, we are going to have x less
Because
than or equal to minus
minus
186 over.
31.
So what will that give us?
Minus 6.
6. So that should be the answer.
Okay, sir. The mistake I made is that I made that x square. That is why.
Since we don't have the 3 and the x together, because what we have there is x minus 3. So since there's an operator separating them, if it is plus or minus, we can't just pack them together.
Okay, sir. Okay, copy it. Hmm.
Yeah?
I'll copy it.
Yeah. Go ahead. I've drawn it down. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Hmm. Okay, sir, I've copied it.
Okay. Let's go to next one. Question number 2B. Can you solve it?
I want to read this question first. The transport happening to transport increase. Heads up of tricycles and taxi. Mm-hmm.
Question 2B. The question says a transport company has a total of 20 vehicles made up of
Mm-hmm.
tricycle and taxi cab. Each tricycle carries 2 passengers, while each taxi cab carries 4 passengers. If the 20 vehicles carries a total of 66 passengers at a time, how many tricycles does the company have? Okay. Now let's say let the tricycle be maybe T. Let the number of tricycle, let the number of tricycle equals T, and taxi cab, let's call it R. The first information in that question is that the company is having 20 vehicles, which consists of tricycle and taxi cab.
Taxi
So you
cab.
can see T plus R equal to
Yes.
20. Make this one
Mm-hmm.
equation 1. And they
Okay.
told us that each tricycle can carry 2 passengers, while the taxi cab can carry 4 passengers. And when the 20 of
Yeah.
them they carry passenger, the total they carry is 66. So if tricycle can carry 2, we have 2T. That is 2 multiplied by number of tricycle. And taxi cab can carry 4. That is 4 multiplied by number of taxi cab. And the total of this will give us 66. So that's
Mm-hmm.
another equation. So with this
Okay.
one, we can easily find what the problem should
Number
be.
of
This is
passengers.
2, this is 1. So we can later have 2T plus 2R equal to 40. Have it?
Yes.
And when we cut this, since what we want to eliminate is having the same sign, just put minus there. This will be 2R equal to 26. R
Yes.
will be equal to 26 over
Over
13,
two.
and that is,
26
sorry,
over 13.
26 over 2.
2 equals to
26 over 2, and that will be 13.
yes.
That's 13 tricycle. Is that what
Yes.
they ask us to find?
Yes. How many tricycles does the
Oh,
company have?
that is taxi cab, sorry. R is for taxi cab now.
Okay,
R is
yes.
for taxi cab.
So we add it because we cannot add it now.
Yeah, tricycle now, which is T. T would be T plus
17.
13.
That would be 2 plus 13 equals to 20, right? That would be
Yeah,
7.
T plus 13 equal to 20. And T will be equal to 20 minus 13 equal
That's
to
7.
7 tricycle. So that's the answer to that.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Quickly copy the solution. We have the circle,
Mhm.
and inside the circle is two different shapes. It's one like this, and from here we have another horizon like this, and we have a tangent. So we have a tangent to that circle, and the tangent is labeled. My labelings are not really clear. What are the labelings on tangent? M what?
VRM is 46, RTS is
On the
28.
tangent, on the tangent, what are the
Okay,
labelings?
46 for
The letters on the
that
tangent to
um okay the
this
letters.
point. Where is the,
That point is R.
so it will be MRS, MRQ, abi?
Yes, MRQ.
And here is V, right?
Yes, V.
This place is S. Here is
Where?
U,
Yes.
and here is T, okay?
Yes, sir.
And according to them, this place is 46, abi?
Yes, yes, sir.
It's 46
Not
degree.
outside though, inside the circle. But
This is S
yes,
degree. It covers both.
yes.
It covers
Okay,
both inside and outside because those are the two lines. Circle is not a line. The arc there is not a line, so you can't make angle with an arc. And what's the angle given
okay.
here? At this corner here. What's the angle at T?
28. The angle at is 28.
Okay. If this place is 28, now a question like this is it is a complex shape that may want to create problem. But with little construction, you can help yourself out. With the angle they're asking for, the angle they're asking for X. So I think the best thing to do is to just construct something down here. From here, with a dotted line. So that is now. Okay, let's just construct something down like this. Like this. Now, with this, we've divided the angle at X into two, right? So we have
Yes,
angle VUR. An angle VUR equal to 46 degree. That is angle in alternate
Yeah.
segment. What is alternate segment? Whenever a chord, like chord VR now, making angle with a tangent, any two lines that rises from that chord where they meet the circumference, the angle must be equal to the angle the chord made the tangent. You can see that this line
Okay.
VU and line RU, they both started from this chord.
Point.
So the angle they make at this point must be equal to the angle the chord is making with tangent. That is what they call angle in alternate segments.
Okay.
Now, there's another one here. We can say angle RUS is equal to 28, angle in the same segment.
Okay.
Angle in alternate segments. Why this one is angle in the same segment? Angle in the same segment. And with this, we can now say x will be equal to angle VUR plus angle RUS. And that
Yes.
will be equal to 46 plus
Plus 28.
28. So what would that give us?
That will be 74.
So 74 degrees. So that should
Okay.
be the answer for that.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Okay, that is the answer.
Quickly. That's the answer.
Okay. Let me copy this.
Now the question says a cylindrical tint, 7 centimeter high. So we have height to be 7 centimeter.
Mhm.
It's close at one end. If its total surface area is 462, we have total surface area to be 462 centimeters square. They want us to calculate the radius. They want us to find the radius. And pi is given as 22 over 7. Now, let me quickly explain something to you about cylinder. When we have a cylinder, if both ends are open, like in the case of pipe, the water pipe or the pipe in the toilet, if both ends are open, we have a curved surface area. And curved surface area simply means, area of a shape most time is length times breadth because our cylinder is carved out from a rectangle. And length of
Okay.
the cylinder will be 2 pi r, while the breadth will be h. So this is curved surface of a cylinder.
Yes.
Curved surface area of cylinder when both ends are open. Both ends opened. Just put it that way. Now, when one end closed, that end of a cylinder, what shape does it give?
A circle.
It's circular. So it means when one end closed, you have plus pi r square, area of that circle. One end closed. That is what we are looking for. But when both ends closed, it means that the two circular ends are closed. So you have two areas of circle to be added to this. Both end closed. But we are looking for the one at the middle. They said one end is closed. Have it?
Yes.
That's what the question said. And 2 pi rh plus pi r square, which we can rewrite. Okay, no, let me rewrite it. Okay, let me rewrite it here. Yeah. So this TSA will
Oh,
be equal to in some whatever you're going to find it as pi r will come out. And you're going to have 2h plus r if you factorize it out. And that is what is given as 462. 462 equal to by R, 22 over 7 multiplied by R, into bracket 2 multiplied by H.
Mm.
Let's use square bracket outside. Plus R that we are looking for. So we are going to have 462 equal to 22R over 7 into bracket. What do we have here? 14
14
plus
plus
R,
R.
right?
Yes.
So we can say we have a 462 is okay. Let me just cross multiply straight away. 462 multiplied by 7 equal to 22R into 14 plus R.
Okay.
And should be 462 times 7 into 22 times 14 will give us what?
20 times 14 times 14. 308.
308 R plus 22 R squared. Let me see
Okay.
what we can use to divide every side. We need to reduce this nonsense to whatever. To 22, 21. Okay. 462 times 7 will give us what?
462 times 7. That would be
Yes.
3234.
There are some things are supposed to have
3234.
cut out. Okay. We're having big numbers, but we are going to reduce it. 3, 2, 3, 4 equal to 308 R plus 22R. So all the numbers can be divided by 22 if you check. So if we divide
Yes.
through by 22, this will be 147 plus 14R plus R
Yes.
squared.
Yes.
So let's pack them to the same side. We are going to have R squared plus 14R minus 147 equal to 0. So what are the factors of 147 that we can add together that will give us 14? So one of them must be greater than 14 and that must be positive.
That is
That's 7 and
20.
21.
Yes, 721. I wanted to say it,
So
I'm not sure.
you can say R squared plus R squared plus 14R minus 7R minus 147 equal to 0. So we can have R into R plus 14 minus 7 into R plus 14. So R equal to 7 centimeter because it can be minus 14.
Okay. Let me call. Now I've copied the up part already.